In this video, we're going to go over how to use the reading functionality in the Dyslexic Browser. So to get started, in order to get the computer to read to you, all you have to do is select the text that you want it to read, right-click, and hit the Read Selected
Dyslexia,
button.
also known as reading disorder.
Now there's a whole bunch of different customizations you could do to this as well. If you go up into your menu up in the top right corner, you go to the reader controls or reading controls. Here you can access all the different customizations that you want. We'll start with the different voices. What this does is reach into your computer and grab all the pre-installed voices that you have. So you'll notice some Google voices and some Microsoft voices because I'm on Google Chrome, as you are, and I'm on a Microsoft machine. So I get the Microsoft voices and the Google voices. Now only some of them are highlightable, and we'll get into that in a little bit. So for right now, I'm gonna hit 0, and we could test voice at the very bottom.
Hello there.
Sounds good. The next parameter is the reading rate. This determines how fast the voice is going to read. So we'll pop this up a little bit. Let's go to 1.5. That sounds nice. We can listen to that.
Hello there.
Much faster, much better. And I'm going to pitch her up because I think it's kind of funny. 2, perfect.
Hello there.
And then we could also adjust the volume. The maximum is 1, and then you could just go down. So it's 100% and then goes down to 0%, which just turns it off. And then we got the highlighting section. Now the highlighting feature only works with the highlightable voices. Highlightable voices are voices that are just installed directly on your computer and don't go through the browser. And that's why all the Microsoft voices are highlightable and all the Google voices are not. Your system might be different. But if we go in here and we select something that is not highlightable, let's say the Google UK female voice, which I personally really like, you'll see that the check button becomes disabled and we're not able to do anything with the highlight words when reading. Now, if you do have a highlightable voice and you want to keep the highlighting off because it is experimental and sometimes it gets stuck, it's very much a work in progress, especially in version 2.0, then it will not highlight everything. It'll just read it like normal. If we go here and you read the same thing, you'll see
Dyslexia, also known as reading disorder.
no highlighting. And if we do want highlighting and we want a different color, we'll go in here and we can select whatever color we want. And you'll notice that the highlight color does change.
Dyslexia, also known as reading disorder.
The show embedded reading controls is also a work in progress. At the moment, the reading controls are permanent.
Dyslexia, also known as reading disorder.
But that's going to change in a later update. And that's all the reading controls as of version 2 of the Dyslexic Browser. As always, we'd love to hear if you have any ideas that can improve it. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Happy browsing.